In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Outlook Calendar on Outlook. Whether you're on the new Outlook, the classic desktop app, or Outlook on the web, the basics are the same. Open Calendar and set it up. Add work, personal, shared team calendars, and subscriptions like Google or Apple. Select Add Calendar, then choose from Directory from Web to subscribe with an iCal link or upload file for an .ics export. Color code each one by right-clicking the calendar name so you can tell them apart. Create events with new event, then add the title, date and time, location, an online meeting link, and any notes. For items that span a day or more, turn on all day for vacations, holidays, personal days, or focus time. Set show as to free, busy, tentative, or out of office to control how others see your availability. Invite attendees right from the event. If plans change, open it, edit the details, and send an update to keep everyone aligned. Need to cancel? Use cancel meeting and send the cancellation to remove it from all calendars. You can forward a meeting if allowed. When invites arrive, reply with accept, decline, or tentative. Sharing and permissions keep teams in sync. Use share on your calendar, add people, and choose what they can see. Busy only, titles and locations, full details, edit access, or delegate for full management. Stop sharing anytime by removing their access. To view someone else's schedule, choose add calendar and select people's calendars. Keep things tidy by switching to list or agenda view to review and delete old events. For recurring items, choose delete series. If a calendar isn't useful, right-click and remove it from view, and toggle holiday calendars on or off in the left panel. When you juggle multiple schedules, turn on overlay mode from the view menu to stack calendars and compare availability. To sync with other platforms, subscribe to a Google Calendar using its iCal link. Your Outlook calendar syncs to your phone once your account is added to the device. For productivity, set reminders at the intervals that help you act on time. Use categories to label priorities, block focus time, search by name, subject, location, or date, and hide calendars you don't need to cut clutter. With these steps, your Outlook calendar becomes a clear, reliable command center for your day.